Hello everyone. Isobar Science will be running a webinar on lead isotopes on Wednesday, March 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In this webinar, we will discuss how lead isotopes can be used for research in the fields of geology, archaeology, and even forensics. For example, lead is naturally present in the geosphere, and it can therefore be used to quantify ore deposits and interpret geological characteristics and the genesis of different types of rocks. In more recent geology, due to the short-lived lead isotope, lead-210, geologists can use lead isotopes for paleoclimate studies. The signature of lead-210 in recent deposit layers, around 100 to 200 years old, allows the development of modern chronologies from sediments, peat, ice, and other archives. Lead isotopes can also be used in archaeology for provenance studies, in an effort to investigate source of ore deposits as well as trade and movement of artifacts, including metal objects made with iron or iron ores. Finally, we will also discuss how lead isotopes can be used to look into more recent human activity by fingerprinting of anthropogenic sources of lead. This is used mainly for pollution studies, for example, through the atmosphere, ice cores, lithosphere, soil, peat, tree rings, water, and surface water, as well as to provide a timeline of major human activity phases through time, including the rise and fall of empires, as well as the outbreak of plagues and wars. This webinar will be presented by both myself, Maren Polly, as well as our President of Lab Operations, Dr. Ara Sharifi. Dr. Sharifi leads the measurement of all geochemical analysis at Isobar Science. He is an isotope geochemist and a paleoclimatologist who has 3 decades of field experience and extensive expertise in reconstructing past climates and environmental conditions using a variety of archives. We look forward to seeing you at the webinar. You may sign up at the link in the video description.